Let's get to it. You're watching game development. It's 2D game development bootcamp, Unity. We already finished with the animation parts, okay? But we still can't get our guy jumping because we sort of need to jump this hurdle here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is to add that. How to do that? Pretty simple. I'm going to write that in the code. So double click that. So first, I'm sort of need to add a jump function. So once you press that, you're going to jump it. Okay, so we got on move. Okay, so we're going to let's find this on move. Okay, I think I'm going to search the on move so it's quicker. We got the function on move, and then yeah, we don't have anywhere else. So yeah, so we just need to create another, let's say, on jump. And in case you're wondering why we named that on jump, if you just go back to here, we got this input system to the jumper, and we get this jump. Okay, once you got this jump, you can click this player, and you can see that we got this behavior of on jump here. So yeah, so only place where you need to add is name a new function said on jump. So walk, and I think I just go below this walk, adding a on jump. Okay, so yeah, let me go this to void and on jump. So void on jump, and there will be our function. And I'm going to get this on move input value. I'm going to just do exactly the same. Okay, on jump, input value, and then let's write our code. So I think the Xcode just automatically generates the code inside. So let's wait. Copilot just automatically generates coding. So let's wait for it. If value is pressed, player rigid body velocity new, and we got vector jump, and we got this. Yeah, we can't do that, but we don't want to player rigid body got vector 2 x and y. Y is 5, and the x is whatever the velocity is. Yeah, you can do that, or you can just simplify that by just got this x0. Yeah, let's test it out. I don't know whether this will work or not. And 5f is a sort of fixed number, and yeah, I sort of want to make it variable so I can change. But let's just use this and test it out. Okay, so let's go back to Unity. And remember, the jump is space bar, I think, if you are using the keyboard. Okay, so yeah, clearly did not get this jump working. So let's go back to the code and see where we are missing. Okay, guys. Well, after a few seconds of debug, I found the reason why. I just did not capitalize this O, so once I change that to capitalized O, everything works just fine. Here is a step that I use to debug. I just let it print out the debug log, okay, and when I see my game and play that, and then I'm going to just press the space bar and see whether this got printed out. And if it did not get printed out, say you got this the reference script unknown's behavior is missing, which means that we did not get the name correct. So I double checked the player, and on the right side we got this on jump. So O is capitalized, J is capitalized. So I changed that, and everything works fine. Okay, so basically this this sort of code is that you want to control the player rigid body, its velocity, and you want to get a completely new velocity, and the velocity will be the x-axis will do not change the original player rigid body's velocity, but y-axis we got 5. And right now this 5 is not doing good enough, because if you play this game, you can see that it's sort of like it's on the moon or something. Let me just play that. You can see that it's sort of just flow to the air and gently float down. So if you are walking and you want to jump that, okay, it's definitely not enough. So the original speed is not enough, and this guy is not falling quickly enough. So what I'm going to do is to change the gravity as well as the change the velocity. So what I'm trying to do, go back to here, and let me just add a serialized field. So the move speed, what I'm going to do is to add that to jump speed. Okay, and the jump speed is definitely too slow. I'm going to get this 10f, go back here, and replace this magic number to a jump speed. And then you can fine tuning that. I don't know whether 10 will be good or not. And then I'm going to go back to Unity, because right now the player got the pretty normal gravity, but I don't want that. Okay, I want, because it's a game, okay, so you don't want the gravity like this, maybe gravity like 2, so you just double the gravity. But what, yeah, but because you got initial speed, velocity pretty good, so still this guy can jump over it. I think this looks pretty good, but there's a bug, or maybe you're adding that like a double jump skill in the game. But right now we don't want that, because this person jump, and when they falling down, before falling down, you can jump and all the way to the top of it. We don't want something like that, so I'm going to disable the multiple jump. This is just one thing, just yeah, you should take a note in case you forgot. And then the another thing is that I don't think this guy is falling down quick enough, so maybe I'm going to make it say let's just quickly change that to maybe 4. Okay, I don't know whether it will just be enough. Yeah, I think 4 is pretty good, because I like it sort of instant effect on the game. So I think 4 is enough, but clearly the speed, jump speed, is not enough, so maybe just 40. Let me just make it a little bit crazy. Ooh, that's just too much. Maybe 20. I think this looks pretty good. We can jump fairly high, so maybe let me test. Yeah, we can jump up to the tree. Okay, I think this looks pretty good. So I'm gonna stick with jump speed 20, and the scale, gravity scale, is 4. Okay, so let's go back to here and give this jump speed to 20. Okay, and let's just save that. You can rerun a game and it will work smoothly. Okay, so, and remember, you can not only view your game in this game view, you can also just get a scene at one side as well, so you can see what are you jumping relative to the whole scene. Okay, so let me jump here, so you can jump down. Let me just grab this. And remember, you need to click back to your thing again in order to. Yeah, I think that's pretty good. So you can jump the stairs. And gravity works pretty good. And you can also jump on the tree, I think. Yeah, we can't jump on a tree unless you double jump. Yeah, maybe this will be an obstacle. Yeah. So yeah, I'm not going to waste more time to fine tune that. You can fine tune that to the level design of your game. And one more thing is that I noticed sometimes I got stuck when I got to jump because the collider is sort of not even, and sometimes you may find bug. So I'm going to use a computational or expensive way to add our players. So let's just choose this player. I think inside of this rigid body 2D, okay, we got this collision detection discrete. If you got continuous, you will consume more computational power to compute. But since the player is one of the most important thing in our game, I think it's still worth it. So the detection is smooth, and yeah, so you won't slip to the bottom of the scene, something like that. Okay. Yeah, that's pretty good. Okay, I think that's pretty much it. And I'm going to make some constraints to the game, maybe. So it won't say got some sort of a wall, and yeah, and you can just jump all the way up, down, something like that. So you can jump out of the scene. And this is just some perfection for your game, and I'm going to do that fine-tuning in the next video.